Hey tribe, what it do? It's your girl, Kiva Cape, in the building. Today's video, I want to welcome you to my kitchen, okay? Here we are, where a lot of the magic happens. If you guys have been here for a while, then you know that I love to share food recipes. I am a plant-based lifestyle human being, so I do try to make conscious efforts to make sure that things that I absorb into my body are packed with nutrients, honey. Okay, so on Instagram, I always share with you guys that I add sea moss into my smoothies. Now, being Jamaican, Irish moss, sea moss is something that's like culturally pretty normal for us, but we typically drink it in a form that has sugar and milk involved. So it's not necessarily the healthiest way, but it's been something that's been part of our culture from time. But right now, sea moss has become really mainstream and really popular for those who are trying to improve their health. Why? Because it's a superfood. It's another thing that God has been like, here guys, look, I've been giving you the answers to life's problems all the while. So today I'm just gonna kind of share with you guys how I make the sea moss, because I get questions after questions, where I like to buy it. There's like 3 different companies that I usually like to get the sea moss from, so I'm gonna have those in the description box below. But this is gonna be a nice little quick tick video. This is something that you can implement into your life very easily, okay? I don't care if you don't believe in eating healthy. You better start now, okay? Because guess what? You only get one life. So you might as well make it poppin'. As poppin' as it can be. And being unhealthy is not poppin'. So, therefore, in conclusion, let's get into this video about sea moss. Okay, so sea moss has 92 out of the 102 minerals that your body needs. So this is my little sea moss gel here. I typically keep it in different types of containers. As you can see, I've already obviously started partaking in it because, duh. It smells like the sea, naturally. It is just jam-packed with nutrients, and this is something that you can add into your smoothies daily, or you can make little like acai bowls with it. People I know even eat it in like hot meals as well, but I just really don't believe in really heating it up, because once you start to heat things, you start to lose a lot of the nutrients. So I'm trying to keep this nutrient dense as it is already. So I just usually typically add it into my smoothies or acai bowls, and keep it uncooked, raw. Alright, take this, y'all. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to make it. It's really easy. It's really simple. Typically I have mine stored here in like a bag, but this is what it looks like. It is literally what you see in the sea. And it gets its minerals from the rock, so it smells like the ocean. I will say though, if you get sea moss in its powder form, be prepared for a taste that'll get you, okay? It'll get you. I travel with the powder form because I can't obviously travel with the gel, right? And I suck it up because I don't care. At the end of the day, there's some things that it's more important what it's doing for your body than how it tastes, because it's not like medicine tastes good, right? Who wants to be sick and alive and on medicine? So you might as well suck it up, be preventative instead of trying to control the disease after it's already happened, which is why I'm into all of this good, whether it tastes good or not. That being said though, the gel, this bad boy, when you add it into your smoothies, does not taste like anything. It's just, you are tricking yourself. You can trick your children, you can trick your spouse, whatever it is, trick your whole family. So what I typically do is, I take a piece of the sea moss. Now, depending on the company, some of this really expands. Do not use the whole thing at one time. It's pretty pointless. You don't need to use the whole thing. You're gonna have way too much. Unless you have like a family of 5 and you do wanna make a really big portion so you can really get everybody on it and you're going to go through it quickly. Other than that, take a small piece. You're going to soak it in spring water. Now, if you don't have spring water, get some. And if you don't have that, you're going to have to use some Brita water or some filtered water. I have a alkaline filtration system that I use, so it kind of like emulates spring water and alkalizes whatever water I put into it. So I soak my sea moss in that. I let it sit for about 8 hours, so 6 to 8 hours. Sometimes I like to do it overnight. I come back, strain that off, rinse that with more of the spring water, and then I start to blend it. Now, depending on the blender that you have, you may want to add filtered or that spring water in ice cubes as well while you're blending it so that it doesn't get hot. If you have like a Vitamix, and you know how that goes, the longer you blend is the warmer it gets. You don't want soup sea moss at that point. So if you add ice and blend the sea moss with the ice and a bit of water, it's going to help keep it cool while it's blending and not overheating and getting like too hot on you. Otherwise, take your small portions. If your blender isn't really strong, add them in slowly and mix that in with your spring water and blend that up. Now the consistency is really up to you. Obviously, the thicker it is and the less water you have, then it's going to be a bit more concentrated. If not, you can make it a bit more syrupy, gelish, or you can make it really like jello-y, where it's kind of hard. I kind of like it in between, where it's a little bit stiff and I can spoon it out and use it. So after that's done, I pour it into a container of choice, glass, you guys. You want to use glass. Do not use plastic. Honestly, plastic is pretty trash, and if you can avoid using it, try to avoid using it because of the nutrients in here. You don't want it sitting in a plastic container and then absorbing essentially the toxins that are in the plastic. So glass is usually a better bet to store pretty much anything that you want to keep in the fridge. So yeah, store that in plastic. Let that bad boy sit. I mean, you could use it right there in that moment. I usually take the blender and make a smoothie with whatever's left over at that time on the day that I made the sea moss. And then after that it sits, it's going to get really jelly-like consistency, and you're going to have this, where it's like, it's exactly that, of gel. See, mine even moves around in there. Look at that. So yeah, it's a great thing that we can all do. It's super easy. Like I said, I'm going to have the companies that I use down below in the description box, and you can check them out. I'm sure there's other companies as well, but these are ones that I've used and I like. But yeah, it's super easy. We should all be making little efforts to level up our health. It's important. This is the only body you get. And when you feel good, you look good. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Comment below, let me know if you guys want more videos like this. I used to share a lot more recipes. I think I'm going to start sharing them again because we in quarantine. So, I think I'm going to start sharing more recipes with you guys. Comment below if there's anything I missed that you have questions about. Yeah. And if you guys want a bunch of smoothie ingredient recipes, then head on over to my Instagram account. I usually post my smoothies there, and then I'll post the ingredients. I'm not a measurer, guys. I'm not a big measurer. I'm trying to work on the measuring so that I can share things more accurately, but I'm very much the person who kind of goes with my intuition as I'm making these things. So they come out phenomenal, tasty, fire, but I don't always calculate it. So I'm gonna work on that so I can share with you guys more recipes. But until then, go on my highlight reel and you can check out some smoothie inspo ideas and combinations that you can try at home. Okay? All right, guys. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Namaste.
Whispered that she don't drink, said the sheet rolling. Hope I don't think that just that we smoke that I'm gon' hit. I'm like, what you think, so think what you want. She had me a think.